Morning, Sam. Here we are in a farmer's field behind his house, and we're in Normandy, and we're off to go and see Omaha Beach today and the local war memorial. Still looking for that elusive winter sun though, aren't we, Sam? Do you know where it is? Sam keeps getting electric shocks off the van. I'm not sure the electric connections here are that great, but we'll survive. Morning. We're staying at the Air du Pouvoir near le Mont St Michel, and this is a camping car park, and it's €16.50 a night. It's pretty good value actually. You get electric hookup, all the facilities that you need. I mean, it is a car park, but when you're staying at Airs, like the one we did the previous night, where you're in a farmer's field at the back of a working farm, to come here, it's just everything that you need. So we're in Mont St Michel for a couple of days, and today later on we're going to go and have a walk around, or walk up to the famous site. So see you later. Sam, it's 9:30. You ready to get up yet? Sammy's off to Mont St Michel, up the main strip. Disney's Haunted Mansion. Alligator Bay. You can go and see alligators. So there's Mont St Michel, and I think we've got to walk along a sort of pier to get to it. About 2 kilometers away. There's Sam. Well, I've got no data, so it's no good. inside Mont St Michel. Finally, some nice French food. And there's the cemetery.